Well, what sold me on Trade Mastermind, it just gave me the opportunity to get out what I'm doing, out of the rut that I'm in at the moment. So yeah, that's just what I want to be, what I want to do. So yeah, fingers crossed this journey is going to help me out. Yeah, it's really important that the guys running the course understand what we're going through. I mean, ex-tradies, unless you've done it yourself, it's hard to get your head around really. Like Joe and Paul, like they've been there as well. So even when you ask questions, they know the answers pretty much straight away. So there's guys on here I've already spoken to today. They're a few months ahead of me, and I mean, it's looking really good for them. So yeah, that's where we want to be, really. I mean, I'm 45 now, so I'm not getting any younger. Ideally, I want to be sitting at home with the kids and the wife, enjoying my business running itself. If I can get there in 5 years, that'd be brilliant. It's full of other people like me who want the same thing, so it can't be a bad place to be. It's not a fad. It's not a quick rich scheme. It's you've got to put in the work. But like I said, all the other guys here, I mean, they all want the same thing, so perfect. It's good.